Hi, fifth graders. Tonight's lesson is lesson 9-4, divide whole numbers by unit fractions. The I can statement is I can use models, such as pictures or number lines, to show dividing a whole number by a unit fraction. Pause the video now to write the new lesson title and the I can statement on a new piece of paper in your math notebook. Press play when you are ready to continue. Next, you need to write today's new vocabulary word. The vocabulary word is unit fraction. You can see here that there is an example of 1/4, 1/3, and 1/2. Note at the bottom of the screen, it says a fraction with a numerator of 1. Pause the video now to write the new vocabulary word, the examples, and the notation in your notebook. When you are finished, press play to continue. Today's solve and share problem reads, one ball of dough can be stretched into a circle to make a pizza. After the pizza is cooked, it is cut into 8 equal slices. How many slices of pizza can you make with 3 balls of dough? Solve this problem any way you choose. Right now, I want you to pause the video, and I want you to take time to figure out how you would solve this problem. Work it out on your notebook, show your work, so that way you can best describe it to your group tomorrow. When you have completed your work, please press play to continue to see how other people have solved the problem. Okay, I'm going to show you how I would solve this problem. The first thing I want to do is cubes. I know that 1 ball of dough can be stretched into a pizza. After it's cooked, it makes 8 equal slices. The question asks me how many slices of pizza I'd have if I had 3 balls of dough. Next, I want to underline my question. How many slices of pizza can you make with 3 balls of dough? Next, I want to box the key word. 8 equal slices, and how many slices can I get? Next, I need to visualize how I'm going to do this. I know 1 ball of dough can stretch into 1 pizza. This 1 pizza is cut into 8 equal slices, just like the picture represented at the bottom. So one of these down here is 1 ball of dough, and it also has 8 equal slices. That also tells me that each slice is 1/8. So if each slice is 1/8 of a piece, 8 slices equals 1 whole pizza. Okay, back to my drawing. So I know I have this up here as 1 ball of dough. My second ball of dough, again, makes 1 pizza. It's 8 equal slices. Here's my third ball of dough, and it results with another pizza with 8 slices. So next, sorry, I had to pause for a second. Dinner was ready for Mason. Anyway, so I have 3 balls of dough that equaled 3 pizzas, each having 8 slices. So if pizza 1 has 8 slices, pizza 2 has 8 slices, and pizza 3 has 8 slices, my question asks, how many slices of pizza can you make with 3 balls of dough? Well, 1 dough makes this 8, second ball of dough makes another 8, third ball of dough makes another 8. So 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 slices of pizza. Let's look to see how other people solved it. This is a sample of another student's work. This is Gwen's work. She solved this problem pretty similar to what I did. Notice that she also drew out the 3 pizzas. She counted each slice. Instead of using fractions, she just counted each pizza as one whole slice and then added all the slices together. She counted them individually. This is one strategy to use, as she just counted each one. And again, it's okay that other people have different strategies as long as you come up with the right answer or no. It does say here that she didn't explain her work or show how she got the answer, but you can see that in her work, again, she drew out each pizza and then she numbered each slice, getting a total of 24 slices. Next is Larry's work. He did a good job of writing out his thinking. He recognized the fractional part of a pizza. He said one pizza has 8 pieces. So one piece equals an eighth of a pizza. 3 pizzas with 8 pieces can be represented as 3 times 8. There are 24 pieces in 3 pizzas. So this can also be written as 24 divided by 8 equals 3, or 24 times 1/8 equals 3. This is a really good way to check your work, to see if the math makes sense. And also notice he didn't draw a picture, he didn't have any models, he just wrote his thinking. This would be a great way to write a summary. So I like how this problem works, how it had a visual from the slide before. And then we had this Larry who wrote about his thinking. He did a really good job explaining his thinking. Now that's going to be your turn. Now that we're finished discussing the video, I want you to write a summary about how you solved the problem. Did you think it was easy? Was it challenging? Was there somewhere where you got stuck and you didn't know what to do? What was your strategy? Did you have pictures or models? Think about how it looked compared to others. Maybe it was the same, maybe it was different. Again, it doesn't matter how you solved it and what strategies you used, just knowing how to think about how to set it up and how you would go about solving the problem. I'm excited to see how you did it tomorrow in class. Have a good night.